In a lively forest, there lived a brilliant parrot named Peter. He wasn't like any other parrot, for his wisdom was as impressive as his colorful plumage. Nestled near the forest was a cozy cottage where a loyal and friendly dog named Max resided. One summer, a dreadful drought plagued the forest. The once vibrant trees began to wither, and the streams ran dry. The animals were in despair, struggling to find food and water. The forest's vibrant life was slowly fading. The forest animals gathered around Peter, knowing of his intelligence and compassion. He contemplated the problem and suggested, "We must find a way to bring water back to our forest." The animals turned to Max. Without hesitation, Max barked, "I'll go. I'll lead you to the waterfall." Guided by Peter's wisdom and Max's unwavering determination, a group of animals set off on a challenging journey into the unknown. After a long and arduous journey, they arrived at a breathtaking waterfall. The sight of the glistening water was a true miracle. The animals quenched their thirst and transported water back to the forest. Peter, the wise parrot, and Max, the loyal dog, stood side by side, observing the once desolate forest. Moral of the story: intelligence and loyalty, when used in harmony for the greater good, can create extraordinary outcomes and bring about positive change in the world.